It's incredible when, as a woman, you could say, like, maybe we were in the middle of lovemaking, and at one point something happens, and I can say to Justin, I feel numb. And rather than him going in fix it mode and pulling away and like, let's talk about it, he stays with me inside of me and he says, I see that you're numb. And I see I got all the time in the world. I mean, this is a revelation as a woman to have an uncomfortable feeling and he is right there, still willing to penetrate. It has a woman feel loved, that all of her can be in this relationship and it's desirable. Most women have had so many experiences of anything other than happy, horny, and grateful, and suddenly you're undesirable, right? Suddenly you're a problem, or suddenly you're an inconvenience. And when you learn how to penetrate a woman in those difficult feelings with absolute presence and consciousness, it can be the most radical form of unconditional love she's ever experienced. And the way that you do it without it feeling like abusive or selfish is through the breath we taught you tonight. Because that directive breath you learned helps her move those feelings. And that receptive breath puts them right in the river of alchemy. Those feelings are being alchemized the minute they come out of her mouth, and then she's right back into ecstasy, and you haven't even flinched. Once a marriage experiences that, there's just very little that matters. It doesn't matter if adversity comes your way. You make love through anything.